Sorry, I got disconnected. One is like battery was low, then it went on restart. Okay, coming back. Okay, so in title, Abhishek. Okay, now while titling in a backend, Abhishek would have mentioned, okay, fine. Whenever Google shows a results on a web page, show them a results like resume of Abhishek. But wherein once you open the resume of Abhishek, here if you see senior system engineer, software developer, it's trying to scroll the entire page and trying to see the titles of it. We have last 10 minutes, so we might get disconnected. We'll re-log in using same login details again. Am I audible, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sure, yes.
Yes, you.
Here, if you see here in the titles, we still have software engineers as a software engineer or at software engineer and all everything. So this one use case. Now let's say what we gave in URL sites.google.com, in title software engineer or software developer, Java, resume, gmail.com, Bangalore. So let's say few more words. I'll go or algorithm and data structures. Data structures. What's wrong? In URL sites.google, entitled software engineer or software developer, Java or algorithm or data structures, resume. Let's say resume or CV. Let's say algorithms or data structures. Okay, we got some two, then repeat the search with vomited. Then we got 1040 Bangalore, or let's do Bangalore or Bengaluru. Okay, so we understood the site format of Google, that is sites.google.com, which was a dark. Then we took the dark part and we added in URL colon, the dark part of it, sites.google.com. And then in title, we added software engineer or software developer, Java. Let's take C++ also, Java or C++. Close the bracket, again open the bracket, algo or algorithms or data structures in a various ways, then gmail.com and Bangalore or Bengaluru. First we get two results, then just repeat. So it has corrected, that's fine. Honorary awards. What are these awards? LLD award for lawyers from Uttarakhand. All this giving award results. Software developer. I don't know. What is it? So the content, what are the keywords we have given? Might be there, but a lot of data. Let's say awards. No, we don't want that. or maybe what's good to mention, but let's say minus Shibam. Okay, maybe only one person with all those keywords working in Google, now in Facebook. Samsung, looks good, resume. Okay, now sites.google.com/view/Shubham Khandelwal resume. So we need access. We can't have access to it. So again, we use the same. In URL sites.google.com, we will remove this much. In URL resume, just use resume, later we'll use something else. Java, Bangalore or Bengaluru. We have some 45 results. So we just give a search, we try identifying some of the URLs, whatever the results we are getting. Again, we go back, then we try to analyze what is that additional stuff we can add in our searches and try to fine tune. So today I'll not go much in depth. I would cover very on a high level. How does this in URL, in title would work? But if you see now in URL, we just took very simple search sites.google.com. Then again in URL resume, or let's say in URL resume or in URL :CV, close the bracket, Java space Bangalore or Bengaluru. So first we get 2 results, then again we repeat the result. So we get 334. This was missing earlier. Then Master of Computer Science, Languages, Semantic Computing Research Lab, Java over here. CV in a PDF format. So 7 years of experience in building. Currently in a Washington. Earlier was in a Bangalore, lead engineer at Samsung. Cisco, joined in 2020, Bangalore. A very simple combination. In URL sites.google.com, the dark part, and we analyze some of the URL pattern, where if individual wants to host their resumes, then they would make a. So every web page is a collection of boxes, is a collection of folders. Let's say if I go to GitHub, let's say I just go here. And if I want to host my own profile, then these are all the folders. Contact me, index, and all everything is a folder. In a backend, I would have written the code, and then so this is the code in a backend which I have written, and I kept in a index folder. So from one folder, it should be moving to the other folder. Now let's say we just come here. This is the web page. So this is direct page of Shivkumar Gurram. Sorry, the hosting is still a CV, which is again a folder. So that might be a sub page, the main page, which is not hosted without CV. But when I add the additional folder, a path to the CV, then it lands up in this. Then let's say I wanted to go for the next folder. Want to contact me, then shivkumargurram.github.io.cv.contactme.html. So again, it came to this particular folder.